In a world where competition knows no bounds, staying ahead isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Welcome, I'm Thamizharasu, your guide on this journey to mastering performance benchmarking. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, mastering the art of benchmarking can be your game changer. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets to propelling your business to new heights. 1. The importance of performance benchmarking in today's competitive landscape. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying competitive is more challenging than ever. That's where performance benchmarking comes in. A strategic tool that empowers you to understand where you stand in the market, identify areas of improvement, and leverage the best practices to enhance your operational efficiency. It's not just about keeping up, it's about setting the pace. 2. Step-by-step guide to conducting effective performance benchmarking. Conducting effective benchmarking involves a clear, structured approach. Start by identifying what you need to benchmark, be it processes, performance, or products. Next, choose your benchmarking partners and gather data. Analyze this data to find gaps and areas for improvement. Lastly, develop and implement an action plan. Remember, the goal is to learn and evolve. 3. Key performance indicators, KPIs, for successful benchmarking. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are your best friends in benchmarking. They help you quantify your company's performance and compare it with others. But choosing the right KPIs is crucial. Focus on those that align with your strategic goals, such as customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and market share. This alignment ensures that your benchmarking efforts drive meaningful improvements. 4. Tools and technologies for efficient performance benchmarking. Thanks to technology, benchmarking has never been easier. From specialized benchmarking software to comprehensive data analytics tools, technology can streamline the process, enhance accuracy, and provide deeper insights. Leveraging these tools can save you time and resources, making your benchmarking efforts more efficient and effective. 5. Benchmarking. Best practices. Learning from industry leaders. Learning from the best is a shortcut to success. Industry leaders who excel in benchmarking don't just focus on competitors within their industry. They also look outside it to find innovative practices. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement, actively engaging stakeholders, and being open to change are key best practices that can elevate your benchmarking efforts. 6. Common mistakes to avoid during performance benchmarking. While benchmarking offers tremendous benefits, it's easy to fall into traps. Avoid comparing apples to oranges by ensuring you're benchmarking against truly comparable entities. Don't overlook the importance of qualitative data, and remember, benchmarking is not a one-time project but a continuous process. Steering clear of these common mistakes can significantly enhance your benchmarking outcomes. 7. How to analyze and interpret benchmarking data for strategic insights. The real power of benchmarking lies in the insights you gain from analysis. It's not just about collecting data, but understanding what it tells you about your performance and potential. Look for trends, outliers, and patterns. Contextualize the data within your industry and your business strategy to make informed decisions that drive growth. 8. Case studies, real-world success. Stories of performance benchmarking. Across the globe, many companies have transformed their fortunes through effective benchmarking. First up, let's talk about a major retail giant. Think big, as in one of the largest in the world. This company took performance benchmarking to heart, comparing their operations against the industry's best. By focusing on key performance indicators, KPIs like customer satisfaction, inventory turnover, and sales per square foot, they identified gaps and opportunities for improvement. The result? Enhanced customer experiences, streamlined operations, and yes, a significant uptick in revenue. Next, consider a mid-sized bank that was struggling to keep up with the top dogs in the financial industry. By implementing a comprehensive benchmarking program comparing their performance in areas such as loan processing times, customer service responsiveness, and digital banking solutions, they gained critical insights. This intel didn't just sit in a report, it spurred action. The bank streamlined its loan approval process, ramped up its customer service team, and invested in digital banking tech. The outcome? was improved customer satisfaction and loyalty and a more competitive stance in the market. Talk about turning insights into action. The stories of success are both diverse and inspiring. These case studies illustrate the power of benchmarking in turning insights into action and challenges into opportunities. 9. Future trends in performance. Benchmarking, what to expect. As we look to the future, performance benchmarking is set to become even more integral to business strategy. The rise of AI and big data analytics will provide deeper insights and predictive capabilities. Sustainability and social responsibility benchmarks will gain prominence, reflecting the evolving priorities of society. Staying attuned to these trends will ensure your benchmarking efforts remain relevant and impactful. Embarking on a benchmarking journey can propel your business to new heights of performance and success. Remember, the goal is not just to compare, but to learn and improve. With the right approach, tools, and mindset, you can turn benchmarking into a powerful engine for growth. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Together, let's benchmark our way to excellence.